So student, all of you have seen in previous video how a word can be manipulated in different ways using left function, right function and mid function. So mid function was the important one, or mid function can do whatever left function can do or right function can do. So based on mid function concept, we are going to learn here some program. The question is, write a Visual Basic program to input a word and print it as following pattern. For example, suppose my word is Rashmi, input, my word is Rashmi. So Rashmi will be printed like this. It means whatever the word I gave here, the output will come accordingly. Okay students, without wasting time, let's go to the editor to see what are the things we need to do or how we can do this. So as previously the design I kept same only. Label will say that you have to enter a word. Text field will receive your text. Then button, clicking on the button, the output will display on the print area. Fine. Now let's double click and see what are the variables I am using here. So I need a string variable. It is already written, so let it be like this, not a problem. Fine. Thereafter students, what are the variables I need? You see, we have to take here, we have to use here nested loop concept, as we learned previously 2 videos on nested loop. Okay, because the diagram is like this now. There is row, there is column. The concept is similar like previous. So we have to use here what? Nested loop. So for that I'm taking here r comma c as integer. So row, column. Fine. In nested loop we are using this concept row and column. How many row to be printed? How many column to be printed? Clear my clear students? Now students, here one more variable we need. Here you check how long the rows are there. How many rows are here? How many rows are here? 6. There are 6 rows. Why 6 rows? Because there are total number of characters present in the word is 6. Because of total number of characters are 6 in that word, that's why 6 rows are there. Suppose I give a word which has 4 characters, then it will go till 4th number row. Fine. So it depends on the length of the word. It depends on the length of the word. The word what I am writing here, what I am inputting here, depends on that. So for that, there is a function in Visual Basic to know the length of a word. The function name is len. Okay. For that I am taking a variable here n as integer. I am explaining. Wait, what is n? What for n I took? I am explaining. Now str is what? Now text1 dot text. Why text1 dot text? You know, I already explained in previous video. Fine. The text whatever we entered, it comes to the str variable. Now at first what we will do, let's find out the length of the str. Let's find out the length of the str. Length means how many characters the str has. So n equal to len. Len is a inbuilt function. Len is a inbuilt function which you are learning now. Len of what? Str. Okay, len of what? Na str. So it will give you the length of the str. Fine. Now if you wish to see, you just print n and try and check. Suppose I am printing here computer. So what is the length of computer? What is the length of computer? 8. Fine. Understood? So simple, so nice. So no need to write this one. We don't require. Clear. Now let's start the loop. So for row equal to, now 1 to what? 1 to what it will be? How long the row will go? The row will go till the length. So the length we stored in n. Fine. Thereafter step 1, which is not mandatory, leave it. Clear? 1 to n. Why? Because total number of length we stored in n. So as much as character it has, it will go till that. Rest. Thereafter for column equal to what will be? I taught you before. Column will be 1 to what? 1 to row. Already we did. In this kind of diagram, the column has to continue till what? Column has to continue from 1 to row. Already we learned in previous videos. Fine. Now what we have to do, students? We have to print a character. We have to print a single character, sorry. Means the first character in first line. Then first and second character in second line. Then first, second, third character in third line. So that is our motto. So what we have to do? Print mid function bracket str comma. So as we want to print a single character at a time, so what will be the coordination here? You please see, all of you, C comma 1. Why C comma 1? What is the value of C now? 1. 1 comma 1. It means 1 1. 1 1 means first character. Next time when the loop will continue and come here, C become 2. So it will become 2 1. 2 1 means how many character? 2 character. Understood? 2 1 means what? 2 character. So it will print like this, the thing, and we have to give a semicolon also here. Why? Now it has to print right side to it. Print in a line, not next line. So thereafter, as before we did, we have to do here next C, and we have to give a blank print for next line, then next R. Okay, let us see the result. If the result comes, then I will explain you again. So run, enter the word computer. So see, it's coming very nicely. Fine, any word you give, students, not a issue. Any word you give, suppose science. It's coming. Fine, you can use form CLS to clear the screen also, which I taught you before. Now it's time to get the explanation. Okay, let it be on. You see the explanation now, please. So the explanation is what? Now whatever the word I am giving here, so first of all it is keeping in the variable str. Thereafter it is just finding out the length of the word and keeping the value in n. So science means what will be the value? What will be the value of n? 7. So it means 7 times the loop will continue. There will be 7 number of rows. So row is 1 to n. 1 to n means 1 to 7. Thereafter in the inside loop, inner loop, you check for C equal to 1 to R I wrote. 1 to R means at first it will become 1 to 1. Second time it will become 1 to 2. 1 to 3. 1 to 3 means what? 3 character will be printed. 1 to 2 means what? 2 character will be printed. 1 to 1 means what? 1 character will be printed. Understood my point? When it is in first number row, it will be 1 to 1. When it is in second number row, it will become 1 to 2. Clear my point? So now print statement you understand. This is very important. Print. What to print? Now mid function we use here, mid str, the string that is computer or might be science. Then we wrote here C comma 1. C comma 1 means C the value is 1 and 1 comma 1 is 1 character. Fine. When it goes up, C the value become 2. So 2 to 1, 2 1, 2 1. So 2 1 in the sense what will happen? It will print 1 1 and 2 1. It means when C value is 2, okay, 1 to 2. So it will print the first character as well as the second character in this case. So it will always proceed like this. It will go to the number of character and it will print like this. Then we kept here a blank print, for which what it will do now, it will come to the next line to print the next number of character. Okay, hope the concept all of you understood nicely. Okay, so this is very simple program we did just to get the pattern. So there can be so many other kind of pattern as well.